Hello friends, welcome to this episode of the Health Channel. In this video, I want to talk about a substance that turns your urine red after consuming it. But don't be afraid, stay with me until the end of the video. Beetroot or beet is the taproot portion of a Beta vulgaris subspecies Vulgaris plant in the conditivia group. The plant is a root vegetable also known as the table beet, garden beet, dinner beet, or else categorized by color, red beet or golden beet. It is also a leaf vegetable called beet greens. Beetroot can be eaten raw, roasted, steamed, or boiled. Beetroot can also be canned, either whole or cut up, and often or pickled, spiced, or served in a sweet and sour sauce. The domestication of beetroot can be traced to the emergence of an allele that enables biennial harvesting of leaves and taproot. Beetroot was domesticated in the ancient Middle East, primarily for their greens. It thought that they were also cultivated for their roots from the Middle Ages. Beetroot was used to treat various conditions, especially illnesses relating to digestion and the blood. The green, leafy portion of the beetroot is also edible. The young leaves can be added raw to salads, while the major leaves are most commonly served boiled or steamed, in which case they have a taste and texture similar to spinach. Beetroot can be roasted, boiled or steamed, peeled and then eaten warm with or without butter, cooked, pickled and then eaten cold as a condiment, or peeled, shredded raw and then eaten as a salad. Pickled beetroot is a traditional food in many countries. A large proportion of commercial production is processed into boiled and sterilized beetroot or pickles. Betanin obtained from the roots is used industrially as red food colorant to enhance the color and flavor of tomato paste, sauces, desserts, jams and juices, and jellies, ice cream, candy, and breakfast cereals. When beetroot juice is used, it is most stable in foods with low water content, such as frozen novelties and fruit fillings. Raw beetroot is 88% water, 10% carbohydrates, 2% protein, and less than 1% fat. In 100 grams amount providing 43 calories of food energy. Raw beetroot is a rich source of folate and a moderate source of manganese and potassium, with other micronutrients at low content. Here are some of the benefits of beets. Number 1. Benefits of beets for children. The benefits of beets for children include strengthening the immune system. This vegetable increases the body's defense system due to its vitamin C and antioxidants, preventing anemia. The iron in beets help increase hemoglobin levels and prevent anemia in children. Improving digestion. The fiber in beets is effective in improving digestion and preventing constipation in children, increasing energy and strengthening bones. Consuming this vegetable can increase children's energy and help with bone growth and health due to the presence of calcium and potassium. Number 2. Beets improve exercise performance. Many studies have shown that nitrates can help people perform better during exercise, especially during high-intensity endurance exercise. Studies have shown that dietary nitrates affect the activity of mitochondria, or organelles within cells that are responsible for producing energy. Since beets and beet juice are high in the mineral nitrate, their consumption has the same effect, which is why they are often consumed by athletes. Number 3. Good source of potassium. Beets are a good source of potassium, a mineral and electrolyte that helps nerves and muscles function properly. Drinking beetroot juice in moderation can help maintain optimal potassium levels. If potassium levels become too low, fatigue, weakness, and muscle cramps may occur. Very low potassium may lead to abnormal heart rhythms. Also, beets are a good source of folate. Folate is a B vitamin that helps prevent neural tube defects such as spina bifida and anencephaly. It may also reduce the risk of premature birth. A note that I must give in the side effects section is that excessive consumption is harmful to the stomach and also causes indigestion. To avoid this problem, cook beets with lentils. Do not use aluminum utensils to cook beets. People with indigestion should avoid eating beets. Excessively, people with blood sugar are not allowed to consume beets. Eating beets leaves may cause vomiting, indigestion in some people, and cause allergies in some children. People with high blood pressure and stomach disorders should be careful when consuming beets. At the end of this video, thank you for being with me. For more information about other veggies and fruits, follow other videos of this channel. If this information was useful for you, please subscribe to the channel, and if you have any questions about beet, ask in the comments section. Your health is our wish. Have an excellent day.